In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Wrike account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. To kick things off, you'll want to visit the Wrike homepage. This is pretty straightforward. Open your favorite web browser, type Wrike into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Wrike homepage in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the page, you'll easily spot a button that says Try Wrike for free. Go ahead and click that prominent call to action button. Now it's time to enter your email address. Make sure you use an active inbox because Wrike is going to send a verification link to this email. So type in your primary email address and click Next. It's a good idea to use an account that you can access easily, just to keep things smooth and hassle-free. Next, we need to fill in your profile information. This is essential for personalizing your experience with Wrike. Go ahead and type in your full first and last name along with the name of your company or organization. If you happen to be a freelancer, you can simply use your personal brand or even the name of your project. It's all about giving a little context about who you are. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to agree to Wrike's policies. Make sure to check the box agreeing to their terms of service and privacy policy. After you do this, click Next to move on to the next step. Now we arrive at a fun part, completing the onboarding questionnaire. This step is designed to help customize your experience, so keep clicking Next as you go through their setup wizard. You'll see a prompt asking how you currently manage projects, like if you use spreadsheets, email, or even pen and paper. Take a moment to choose the option that best matches your current workflow. Once you make your selection, continue clicking Next through the remaining preferences. Before you know it, you'll be redirected to your brand new Wrike workspace. This is where the magic begins. By signing up, you've opened the door to a powerful project management tool that can help you streamline your tasks and enhance collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a Wrike account. Now you're ready to explore all the features that Wrike has to offer. Whether you're working alone or with a team, this platform can adapt to your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe for more tips and tricks and give it a thumbs up. I'm here to help you navigate tools like Wrike and make project management easier for everyone. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.